Hello, Assalamualaikum, good evening. Here I am again, the continuation of CE board, pass board or review online, free tutorial. My name is Engineer Muammar Ismail, currently working in KSA of Kingdom Saudi Arabia as a consultancy in traffic and transportation and road engineering. Now our topic for the MSTE, which is Mathematics, Surveying, and Transportation Engineering. Algebra repressor. This is the question, which is find the number of the terms 5, 8, 11, of which of the sum is 1025. Okay. These problems, this is from the repressor subject. Repressor, you know what's the all civil engineers are familiar with this one. This is one number question on MSTE. Okay, which is the formula, which is Sn equal to n over 2 times 2a plus times n equal 1 minus 1 times d. Given Sn equal to 1025, a equal to 5, d equal to 3. Solution. Now we need to simplify. 1025 equal to n over 2 times 2 times 5 plus n minus 1 times 3. Bring down 1025 equal n over 2 times 10, which is, this 10 is given from, you multiply this one. This is the value. Okay. And this 3 combined to this one will be bring down here. Okay. And minus 3. Okay. Bring down again 1025 equal to n over 2 times 7, which is, we need to subtract this 2, which is 3 plus 10 plus 3 minus 3 equal to 7 plus 3. This is will be subtract, that's why 7, and bring down 3n. Okay. Multiply both sides. Multiply both sides by 2 to eliminate the fraction. 2050 equal to n, 7 plus 3n. This is with this one. Okay. The value of 2050, this is will on this one. This. If you times 2 this one, it will become 2050. Okay. This is the equation, which is n equal to negative b positive over negative square root of b squared minus 4c over 2a. This is the equation. Okay. Expand. 2050 equal to 7n plus 3n squared. 3n squared plus 7 minus 2050 equal to 0. Solution. Where a to 3, a equal to 3, b equal to 7, c equal to 2050. And this is the equation, n equal to negative 7 positive over negative square root of 7 squared minus 4 times 3 times negative 2050 divided by 2 times 3. This will be the answer. Okay. 49. This will be multiplication. N equal to negative 7 positive over negative square root of 49, which is, we need to multiply 7 times 4 times 3. This is 49. 49, which is calculator to use. 7 times 4. Okay. No, 7 times 7. Okay. The value of 49, which is, we need to multiply 7 times 7. Okay? And also, after that, okay, 7 squared minus 4 times 3 times negative 2050 over 2 times 3 over, bring down n equal to negative 7 plus negative square root of 49 plus 24,600 over 6. Okay. Now, we will add this value. That's why the equation will be like this. N equal to negative 7 positive negative square root of 24,649, because you combine these two and bring down over 6. Okay. Now it will be like this. Okay. See? Fraction, which is square root of 24,649 fraction square root 24,649 over 6. Okay. Solution, continuation of this one, calculate the two possible value of n. Okay. N equal to negative 7 plus 157 over 6 equal to 150, because of negative 7 plus 100, you need to subtract, that's why it will become 150 over 6, and divided by this one, it will become 25. Okay. Negative 7 plus 157, 150, because you will subtract, over, bring 6 equal, and this one 150 divided by 6, 25. Okay, n equal to 157 over 6 equal to 164 over 6 equal to negative 27.33. The answer is 25. Okay. If there's any question, just ask. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. I have around 6 channel. Okay, minus 27. Okay. Fraction. Okay, if there's any question, just put your comment and I will reply you. Okay, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. This value of 164 over 6 equal to negative 27. If you divide this one fraction, first the fraction in the calc, they have fraction. Down the cal, 166 over 6 equal to negative 27.23. N equal to negative 7 plus 157 divided by 6. The answer is 25. If there's any question, or if there's no question, okay, thank you very much. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Sorry if my English not perfect. I'm trying to give my best to help the new civil engineer, especially the press. I am Engineer Muhammad Ismail, currently working in Kingdom of Saudi Arabia as a consultancy. Thank you very much at Sestra International Consultant. Bye-bye. Good night. Thank you.